I'm Dr. Joe Vitale, and I'm very excited because I've just created some money wake-up calls. Now, what does that mean? When you wake up in the morning, you need to direct your energy, your vibration, your mind, your spirit, your soul. And what you can do with these is listen to a money message made by me. About 30 of them. So every day when you wake up in the morning, gently wake up, gently absorb this wonderful message about money, and you'll be in alignment to receive money that day. More than that, there's original music by guitar monk Mathew Dixon and myself. These are designed to heal you, to clear you, to clean you so you are available to attract money. Check these out. These money wake-up calls can change your life. We all need money. You need it to survive and prosper and to have a thrilling life. This can be yours. Enjoy.